She has hair. She's not supposed to.
Oh, doctor! I did not know. I'm sorry to disturb you. I just came for some papers I left.
Hi, sorry I startled you. I just came to think.
I'll have the baked potato with that.
Oh my God, did I hang up on you?
Oui. Perhaps I called at a bad time. I am sorry.
I'm sorry. I too. I was distracted.
Is everything fine?
Oui. Oh. Now you've got me talking French.
I was in my PJs when I remembered I left some papers I need to go over. See? I rushed right out of the house. I must look a mess.
No, not at all. I'm in my PJs too. It's funny, huh?
It looks like
And now is our son.
Would you like to share this taxi?
Our son?
I don't want a lot of television.
Oh. He seems fine. I guess we woke him up. The lights and...
I should
I
turn
prefer
him
a
off.
non-smoking room if there's one available.
Maybe I sing him a lullaby my mama sang to me when I was a little girl.
I couldn't even
When you're a little French girl?
Oh, but of course.
Well, that might be very soothing
Compliments to the chef.
for him to hear that.
Fantastico. May I have this dance, madam? You are looking lovely this evening.
Fais dodo,
Hello, my name is
lolo à dix
I'm
fois.
a good gentleman.
Fais
It is lovely to make your
dodo,
acquaintance.
to de
Would you direct me to the post office?
cola.
Can you point me to the Cézanne exhibit?
Gâteau.
I'll have the baked potato with that.
Papa
My inseam is 36
et
inches.
tout parfait du chocolat.
You would
There.
find credit cards at this establishment.
Shall we close up then?
My name is Constance. If so, please
I
return
shouldn't
me
say
to
this, but
Nathan Bronfman at the
you're a pretty
University
girl,
Department.
Gabrielle.
Really? I always think of myself so ugly.
No.
Oh, no, not ugly, but plain. A wallflower.
No, not at all. You're a very pretty girl. You should know that. You should be confident.
Oh, thank you so much. Merci. It's too wonderful to hear a man say such a nice compliment.
It's true. I wouldn't lie.
You are sweet to me.
I prefer a non-smoking room if there's one available.
So soft.
Excuse me, madam.
Doctor.
I'm sorry.
It's a lovely day, isn't it? No, thank you. I couldn't eat another bite. It was delicious, though. My compliments to the chef.
Excellent, Pop. Excellent. Excellent. Now, the lady you're with excuses herself to go powder her nose.